UEC stock analysis next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? I'm breaking it all down in this very brief and short 1-minute video. And as the only guy in this space that's actually gone over this, 42,000 videos made in 5 years. I've seen what's making me money and what's not. Especially with UEC, man, like, I'm not really looking to force a thing because beforehand, this moment was exactly called out by me. Now, you might not believe me, but here is the proof. Look, at the time, sitting at 427, looking to take it to at least 8, between 8 and 9. 9 months back, such a beautiful delivery. Needless to say, I got this lower time frame delivery. This didn't give me the confirmation, but bias-wise, I'm exactly looking to do the same exact thing. So, how's that going to look like? Well, if I really would like to take a trade, it will be this one here as well. So, you know, I'm saying if there is a shift like that, definitely looking to buy. But like randomly getting involved, it's not going to be happening. So I'll continue to keep you updated. Just waiting for rules. If you do want to learn how making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails and insights, and I'll see you in the next